on TGM Radio. All right, and you know, each and every week on the Upnlive show, we always bring special guests. And this week, we have 2 special guests going to be here with us live. And the first guest we have this week goes by the name of DIRTZY DIRT, which I have problem calling his name because I don't know if it's Dirty Dirt or Dirty.
That's it.
Dirt, what's good? What's good?
A joke.
Everything good, man. Everything up, man. Everything good.
Everything up?
2019, you see it?
Tell them again. Positivity, don't it?
Yeah.
That we're free.
Positive things to the 2019, you know?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah, new studio looking good and everything look up.
Whoa, Jesus.
Truth and facts we say now, you see it?
Progress 2019.
You know, say if you go, man, in everybody's life.
Yeah, so people, welcome to the Upnlive show, and this is DIRTZY DIRT here, and he's a reggae / dancehall artist. Is that right?
Twist up everything, yeah, say go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you one of them controversial artists? Because I listened to one of your track and that's what I get from it.
But we know that already.
No, not
What do you
really.
mean by no?
What
What do you mean by no?
No, I'm not like say a controversial artist. The thing is like this, you know, you can't call another artist, you know, because I'm there one long time.
Yeah.
I do all type of music. So you see, if things are happening around me and me I see it, me I go sing about it. Because that's some music where you sing what you see and what you hear. I say a thing, you know.
Which is right.
AKA
And that's DIRTZY
controversial.
DIRT, you know. Truth and facts, so that we said.
So what's good for you in the new year?
Well, working on a lot of project, you know. Working on a lot of songs.
Before we reach there, so how was 2018? Because I don't know how Rickard jumped the gun like.
2018.
Him just want I'm not when I reach
ending
when
of
I reach 2019.
All right, you know,
From the last time we spoke.
Yeah, the thing turn
Yes.
on. The pipe turn on and things
Ever
just
since that conversation, how has things been?
Yeah, the top turn on.
Turn on.
And water just a run
Overflow.
out. Yeah,
Yes.
the thing turn on, the thing
Yes.
turn on, the thing up.
We
The
see
thing
it.
a shot.
We see it.
So after what's the name of the first controversials? Was it Facebook?
Facebook, Twitter.
Was it that one?
Yeah.
That was the first one.
Yeah.
And then somebody gave one idea out of the Upnlive team.
Yeah.
Right? You know, out of Dream Team, out of World Bank, somebody gave one idea.
The one there.
Right.
Okay.
And something had dropped.
That's something that will go on.
Give credit where credit is due. You understand? Right.
Credit.
So
and me alone.
tell us thank
and
you.
me alone get the amnesty.
Certificate.
And me alone Japanese. Somebody out of the Upnlive team say, hey, what, man? You see that Facebook and Twitter song, they wait a shot, you need to drop one for England, you know.
Drop one.
So
what was the response to that one?
why, the response, you know, it was very good. It was a nice feeling. Good 1 and 2. I must say about 3 people may get like a bad energy from.
Yeah.
You
But
know,
I mean, get bad energy, but was it the truth? You're only speaking the truth? Is it the truth you're speaking or is hearsay?
No.
In the song.
Me do a little research because I have one little fake page and I set up.
Yeah.
So me do a little
The
research.
mixed up page,
Is that the page we?
Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
think-
and then now
I don't remember.
me give a thumbs up and a words out say, yo, I'm gonna sing one.
No,
Twitter
what
part
one
to
thing
it.
me not like with the song.
Yeah.
You know this Swift for my friend, you know. Swift for my virgin. But you know this Swift in I song.
Why would
You're
this
big up
Swift?
Swift too
Are we
much.
talking
No,
about Swift
no.
Caribbean Delight?
Yeah.
Why we this?
No. You what me know? You know why I
Am I
not get
missing
this?
something?
I know this, you know.
Yeah.
I don't this no one in the
No,
track.
it's not. All right.
So
Let me
people
rephrase.
don't get it wrong. It's a fun song.
Yeah, it's just a gimmicks and what's going on. If you bring a little fun in the UK dancehall and thing because I'm me there. I'm the type of artist that were there.
Yeah.
And
They are like world
yeah,
bank,
they are
right?
like yeah. I'm me there. I'm the type of artist that were there for hold up the thing and make them know say we can do it same like you too because I'm an artist from Jamaica. You see the thing, and I carry on the work. But the thing is now with a song they know a truth and facts.
Okay.
Right, and as I say, we go up on the fake page and we hear what go on and me give a thumbs up say me go do a song and for me say me go do this song.
Yeah.
The phone just blow up information.
Ring off, it's a-
But me not really take what people say no. We go do a research.
Okay.
And I mean not this nobody. It's just a fun thing. You know, I mean don't want nobody get it wrong. But the thing is this like now, why you talk about Swift? Because a food thing.
Yeah.
You have to know where I say. I know where I look at, you know.
People busy.
You know what,
yeah,
right,
yes,
that's
nobody
people-
take it
yeah,
this just
right.
because of food thing.
You know, you make a good point.
Yeah.
Because I need to look at it at the angle, you know.
Yeah, because of food thing already. Because even so, you know, you see the Facebook and Twitter song.
Yeah.
When we say about what's the name again? But juicy beef.
Yeah.
Juicy beef.
Yeah.
Me have to change it, you know,
What-
because of food thing.
Tell me where you say first. Sing
No.
no. Sing that line first, because me want hear. A long time I listen to that song.
people-
We have to know where I said.
No, but sing what it is that you had edited.
No, we're not going to sing that little part. What we say?
So I'm going to be left clueless.
Yeah, you have to go play a song and
listen. I don't want to play a song after No, you're here in live and living colours.
Why you play the song? Because we say Cabra say look cow and goat, nothing no wrong with that. At least juicy beef can run out of stock.
Okay. Now people, there you have it.
But we say one,
we said something else. Okay,
we said something
else, but you're
so you have to protect the business.
Yeah, when it comes to people business,
right,
you have to know. Yeah. But we little DJ them and select and dance hall, them for know say I saw the thing go and the music. You get me? I say because you want me. Once in a dance hall, you go get this. And people are going to this. People are going to like your music, people are going to like it. People, if it's a selector and when you play, people will like when you play, people don't like when you play. And it's music, so you have to expect them type of thing there. So if somebody fire a shot off of me, I sing a song, I laugh.
Because why? You know yourself.
You can't know myself. Right. It's just fun thing. I laugh, and if me feel like to write a song and answer back.
And you know it's the music industry, so it comes with the territory.
Yeah, that's sense. So one and two people say things, but them not put it on a record, so I go back and do another one, say bossa blank.
Which it makes sense. So
yes.
Dirty Dirts, for everybody who's watching you and listening to you right now, for those who don't know you, can you just explain what kind of artist you are? Because you said you don't want to be boxed. I just want you to give a clear definition from your perspective. Yeah,
Dirty Dirts is a full artist, you know. You like sing J kind of style, hardcore DJ.
Yeah.
Can sing a little twist R&B song. You get me I say? Bashment, hardcore, controversy song same way. Bad man song same, but the reason why I'm not start singing no bad boy song, you know, because I'm good pan that, you know.
Yeah.
But the thing is this now, too much violence and crime are going.
Yeah.
And I think it influence people. People might maybe say, no, just sing a song, you know, or put no gun in nobody and a knife in nobody. But
you put thoughts in their mind.
Yeah. Because when me see the reaction when song I play a dance and how people move, even if I'm alright when you say this and that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I say think about there's this, I have to just get to know me and go up on the internet and look up and read about me from where I come from. I'm the same DJ, my name General D, change him name to Dustman. I'm the same one and I will that.
Right,
where in Jamaica, where you original from?
They call me the mixed race Jamaican, you know, because...
Why?
Because we are two parish.
Which?
St. Catherine and Clarion. See, so the thing, still.
But I like that.
So they got
you're lucky.
Yeah,
they're too far.
Not because it's not you're lucky.
You see that borderline there?
Yeah.
Big up St. Catherine.
No, big up Ochi.
Yeah, St. Catherine Spanish Town.
You understand?
Dumbling, all of Portmore.
We're not going to Clarendon because the bad people place that.
Clarendon? Nah, man. Clarendon just get bad to town people that run over there now.
I lie.
Well, I'm not from town, so I wouldn't know.
Yeah, so the thing.
So the borderline.
Yeah, the borderline. The twist. Me not say borderline. I don't deal with borderline.
Okay, so from you hail from both St. Catherine and Clarendon.
Yeah, born a one, grow up a one, and move around. Yeah.
So, but you reside in the UK?
Jamaica, I live on Jamaica, my yard. We on a voyage.
Okay, you're on a journey.
Yeah, we on a voyage. So that's when we small and we grow up, you see, the bigger heads them go to America, Canada and farm work project. And then come back. So you don't know what maybe it's not farm work project, if it's music or something else.
But you're on a journey.
It's just a journey, it's just a voyage.
Alright, so we go forward to 2019 now. So we're reaching at 2019.
Well, 2019, even reaching at 2019, it's when it touch like November, December, as you say, the pipe turn on.
Alright, so tell me about when the pipe turn on.
As I say now, I'm working on a project, songs type of songs, and producer them want me upon them rhythm, so them are sending them rhythm and me a voice for American producer, Jamaican producer, and we have our own unit over here named Truth and Facts.
Truth and Facts production.
Yeah, Truth and Facts
Limited.
Production, because that's how things start. So you have to keep it, but you have to work for other people, see, you know, and then that's the thing I make it go on. Cause you know, say, okay, I put it where you forgot.
Alright, so the pipe turn on, and we have a couple tracks for you.
Yeah.
That is in the flowing.
Yeah, the one where
flow. Right? And what's the title of that track?
It's called Direction.
And what is Direction about?
And Direction is like the girls them just want me, different country, different.
Oh yeah.
Also a part of
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so what are we going to do? We're going to allow the track to play or start?
What we're gonna do now, we're gonna give the people a preview of the track.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember we have the live view if they can see every comment that come up on the screen. People don't tell what to think about this song Direction.
Thumbs up if you like it.
Thumbs up if you like it.
Thumbs down if you don't.
If you don't like it.
Because you know it's all about being real for 2019. We're not gonna shelter nobody.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all the Upnlive, that's Direction we're putting in the show too. This year. If they don't, like to get your honest opinion and honest feedback. You get me? Let's go.
No, and Janu. Anyway, the girls him call, we have to go. While we over there, call we over there. Janu, man. I'm with it, me say the girl them while we over there. Girl them a call we over there. Girl them while we over there. New York, London, New Jersey. Girl them while we over there. Me say the girl them a call we over there. Girl them while we over there. New York, London, New Jersey. Me say, me phone it a ring, me answer this thing. Why go and charge it? What happen, brethren? Party tomorrow to 243. If me tell you a story, you can't believe it. Me a link up some cat if you roll with we. Me phone shorty from over Max Face. She say, tomorrow night, she not party. So me phone up Vicky from over Marvally. The big mouth girl leave answer me. Shortly after Charlene call me. You mean Charlene from down a country? Yeah man, Charlene, my old linky. She say, right now, them a have a party. And all of the girls, them have on bikini. Syrup on the ice and a bun senses. So you not forward, you could have seen them while we over there. Girl, them a call we over there. Girl, them while we over there. New York, London, New Jersey. Girl, them while we over there. Me say the girl, them a call we over there. Girl, them while we over there. New York, London, New Jersey. Me say, me no have no friend who walk and lock ends. All of me friend them a be a girl list them. Give me the girl them in 1,010. Like the girl from country, me want the whole of them. The Kingston girl them, me want the whole of them. The pretty girls them, give me the whole of them. Girl with belly a front and belly a back, give me the whole of them. Oh gosh. Night time come, me know me can't get no sleep. The hot sexy girl them, me can't keep me peace. Me a have nightmare attacking on me sleep. Just the other night me have a nice little dream. Rihanna, Beyonce, you fulfill me dream. When me wake up and she said that no real. Me say Jesus, peace is a threesome deal. Me a go overseas, go get that for real. Whether Miami, New Jersey, anywhere me have to find some sexy lady. Girl them a want we over there. Girl them a call we over there. Girl them want we over there. New York, London, New Jersey. Girl them want we over there. Me say the girl them a call we over there. Girl them want we over there. New York, London, New Jersey. Me say we drink every day and party every night.
That was a voice of the man himself.
Dirty Dirt.
Dirty.
Girls, them want you over there.
Yeah.
Direction, you know?
Direction.
Alright, I like it still. Me get a thumbs up.
Yeah, I like, you know, I like the creativity with the beat. It sounds different.
I'd like
You
his
have a bit of
creativity
trap in it.
overall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a bit of trap in the
does.
beat.
It
In the
does.
rhythm. Yeah, like my Rajan killer, you know. You know my trap king, you know.
No, I say no.
You know
Rise,
what the thing go.
no, we don't run down the rhythm, you know, so.
But it sound bad still, but like the rhythm have a lot to do with the music also, because the rhythm bring a little vibe, they bring a little happy mood to you.
Yeah, because, you know, you see when you make a song first, it's different from when you get the rhythm and meds it and write to the melody of the song.
Yeah.
So you're going to come out different. But when a man have a song already and try to fit it to a rhythm,
Yeah.
now get that sound there.
Now I get the
So,
sound.
did you write this song to the rhythm?
Yes.
Okay. Because you seem like you have that kind of talent that you would go into the studio and see a little thing and do like some
Yeah.
bang bang.
It will be in the brain and it can't come out until me put it on pen and paper.
Because you have some artists like, I know like a lot of these new artists like, them have this style where every rhythm, everything, them do the same.
So
And the
the
sound is same. No.
ABC lyrics. Yeah,
So on the same way.
No, you have to, when you catch the melody of the rhythm, as I say now, it's different. If you make a song, as I say, and go to the studio and, cause it's not like one time where you go up on audition and all these things, so you have to force yourself to fit for the rhythm.
Yeah.
Right now, a man with me have at least about 5-6 rhythm my producer send me, and the top of them would just take up and listen it and say, okay, get a little melody, listen it, write a little thing, get back to it, and then you will find out say you create a good tune.
But not everybody stay like you.
No, it's not everybody like that.
Everybody's not the same. So like your method of writing your music is quite different than me would write a song.
Yeah, you can't. No, you can't write a song.
That's why I'm not reaching.
You can write a song without a beat.
You can't reach it.
Yeah, you can write a song without a beat. You know.
Well, that's true.
You can write a song without a beat, but still yet you have a little thing of playing
Yeah.
behind the song. They say, so you don't want it for sound, or you want a phrase to play upon it like that. You get me? I say.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
So what's the direction next for Dirts right now?
What's the direction? Right, you want to know that's the song
Remember, say
there.
pipe turn on, you know.
Yeah, pipe turn on, so
Yeah.
things are running out.
And which
That song, I
direction?
done the song for a record company in New York called New York Entertainment.
Okay.
And them heard them take it off of the Twitter, them hear it and say, okay, that artist has sound like him can mad up the rhythm, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just send me rhythm.
Send the rhythm.
Yeah, and we just write a song to it and do it.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So
And then now I'm doing some work with a producer, Move Up Record in Jamaica as well. I have one bad producer there. I do 2 songs for as well, and I have 2 more mix right now in called Tektronic. Are you there? Upcoming engineer.
Where's he from?
Clarendon, I think.
Oh, big up
But a Kingston man. Call it that way.
Yeah.
But
So you might want to one day me run down a Clarendon. Just asking. Are
no,
you saying
he might be run come at all. No, he may be run
Are you saying?
No, he may be run come at all.
Oh, okay.
But
then,
him bad, bad.
Okay.
But I don't think we have no tune on the thumb drive there when mix. But
29, it just started on the pipe. Turn on
but
and
him
it a
have-
flow.
and
So
it a flow.
it's so
But he mix a tune named X-rated. You go hear it, Kai bad.
Alright.
I want a girl with X-rated.
Wait, no, start. No. Yeah, jump the gun. We're going to go into the segment of freestyle.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if anybody has been listening to the Upnlive show,
Yep.
there's a segment that our guests have to, participate in.
Freestyle.
The freestyle.
But
Because
you-
we have if no boss no
Can I
maybe.
ask a question?
Sure, sorry, sir.
You know when me know what's freestyle,
What?
I know what me see people really do, So what I go do when me see them I do nowadays.
What? Sing for the rhythm?
No.
What?
When
You
I
name
attack- when-
freestyle because we're not going to pay you any money for it, okay?
Oh,
No, me not attack. No.
No, me know what there is. That's try to say
Yeah.
that.
we don't have much time still, but
Yeah.
Free freestyle make up.
make up what? Oh
the-
yes,
at the
right.
spot.
Make
But
up on the spot.
Being as me see how now do me really phone away.
That's
Yes,
the be- that-
please.
no,
That's
that's
the
the
one
best
people.
freestyle.
And the best freestyle.
No.
Actually, no. We also do it that way, We tell people to be yourself, but we want persons
can't
to
tell
know
them
your
what to sing.
music. We
Yeah.
can't tell you what to sing. It's a
Yeah.
freestyle.
It's a freestyle.
So Dragon All
We
Star, go
want
drop
to-
the rhythm,
drop
and you
the
go
rhythm.
freestyle.
Do your thing,
Before
yeah?
we drop the rhythm, can you just tell people how to
Yes,
find
where
you
to
or find
find
your
you.
music online before we go to the freestyle?
All platform you can find me, and it's DIRTZY DIRT.
Spell it out for me, please.
DIRTZ, a space, a C, and then DIRTZ again.
What? DIRTZ
Yeah.
space C.
Yeah.
Oh, me never spell it, so me join up to see for
No,
everybody.
man,
Sorry,
if you join up to
you never tell me.
And you will find it that way as well.
Okay,
but,
so
yeah.
DIRTZY Dirt
Yeah.
on all platforms.
Flame Studio.
No, TMG
TMG.
Radio.
TMG Radio. Sorry,
Yes,
my
TMG.
apology.
That's okay. TMG Radio,
Upnlive.
Upnlive,
Thing a shot.
Dream Team.
Dream Team.
World Man.
DJ Rick and the
Remember
World.
the three brands.
Where them depend? Tell me one no reckon. You now you check it, yeah. Hear myself now. Where them depend? Just tell me one no reckon. Them youth and nowadays, them need good direction. Not teaching about no drugs, neither teaching about no weapon. Cause that is totally wrong. Hear me song no man. And where them depend? Tell me one no reckon. Them youth and nowadays, them need good direction. Not teaching about no drugs, neither teaching about no weapon. Cause that is totally wrong. Upnlive. The war and the violence I get to that fi stop. The love for reggae music we have to build that back. Oh a sweet sun fest, nice reggae sound splash. 7 sounds clash, prison oval rock. Nobody nah mash, no buckle now. Hey, mic gone again. Microphone gone again. Back up again. Then me say again, and where them depend? Tell me one no reckon. Them youth and nowadays, them need more direction. No teaching about no jokes, neither teaching about no weapon. Cause that is totally wrong. Dream Team say, and where them depend? Tell me one no reckon. Them youth and nowadays, man, them need more direction. No teaching about no jokes, neither teaching about no weapon. Cause that is totally wrong. Well, me no come here fi talk about no gun and no shot. Me no come here fi talk about under girl frock. Not even funny youths, me no come here fi chat. Me and the ghetto youth, them a go sit down and chat. Black and black crime, what kind of thing that? Dog a fight, pussy cat over coconut. Kill your own bread and get killed by the cop. You end up in a prison and now come out back. Dream Team from top, make we chat again, DJ Rick. You think no boy can bad me up and this way up? Yeah. Them a call we. Yeah. The girl them a call me. Over them yard they want me. They want to lay down for me. They wanna kiss and caress my body. Yeah. The girl them a call me. Over them yard they want me. They want to lay down for me. They wanna kiss and caress my body. Yeah. This are no joke, not drama. The girl them tell me say them need a special lover. They make a survey and them search all over. And if for the social, no mention the media. And me them want, them love, them need ya. Them start emphasize what them love, what them want, what them need, what them like. Them want me at them yard every day and every night. We treat them good and treat them right. Hold them tight and squeeze them right. I am that man, fi make them feel right. Yeah. So me say, the girl them want we over there. The girl them a call we over there. The girl them want we over there. New York, London, New Jersey. Girl them want we over there. Say the girl them a call we over there. The girl them want we over there. New York, London, New Jersey. Yeah, me phone it a ring, me answer this thing. Walk go and charge it, walk bridging. Party tomorrow to 243. Me a link up some cat if you roll with me. Me phone shotty from over Max Fish. She said tomorrow night you know me now party.
That's people. What up, nerds?
Catch me out, you know. Me want a girl with X.
Hey, people, the freestyle shot, though.
Thumbs up.
You try to catch me out, you know, on that slow beat. But anyway.
But it's because you're versatile.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's
That's why
dirty
I am Upnlive freestyle.
Yeah.
The unexpected. I could have played one gospel rhythm too.
And we did it because we're growing at church.
I mean,
So we don't care.
Yeah, so I want to tell you thank you ever so much for stopping by.
Yes.
You don't know it's always a pleasure.
No.
For passing by.
I wasn't passing.
What
And
were
I
you
never
doing?
stopped by.
What did you do?
Yeah?
What did you do?
This one set up an interview and said, come through.
Oh. All right. Excuse me, sirs. Thank you.
so people, that was DIRTZY DIRT.
Thank you.
And whether you're talking to the sideshow. So people, remember you can go and follow him. That's DIRTZY DIRT on all social media. Remember, support his music.
Yes.
Remember, support us. We're here each and every Tuesdays, 9
Between
p.m.
9 and 11.
and 11 p.m. And you can
Yes.
also follow our YouTube channel.
And Instagram.
That's at Upnlive Show and all social media platforms. And also, he says he has a brand new song out right now. It's called Direction.
Yes.
So people, make sure you look for that on iTunes. And he doesn't really like Spotify. I don't know why.
And I have one dropping tonight as well.
What's the name of that song?
It's called Naked.
Naked.
So we can get a preview.
Or remove. Yeah, you can get a
So
remove.
drop a one piece. You have 10 seconds.
Yeah. X-rated. Yeah. Me want a girl with X-rated. When she come in at me house, she get naked. Batman no dep and no plating. Treat me nice and then me give you rating.
All right, boss. We have to wait till it drop to get the rest of that. So blessed love.
Yeah.
And you know all the best for 2019. You see me?
That's all right.
All right,
Manners. Blessings. And people keep it locked this week. Up next, we're going to be having ITOOKIE, Sleepless Family, going to be inside the building here talking to us on the Upnlive Show. But for now, Dragon, clock into the TGM Radio Upnlive Show each and every Wednesday. We broadcast right here from 9 until the hours of 11 p.m. Myself, Rick Upnlive, Dragon All-Star, Little Brown Rasta, Fire Q, and World Mag Entertainment, we bring to you the Upnlive Show. And I'm left for Chino. Why for that? But anyway, people, we have some special guests here inside the studio. They go by the name Sleepless Family. ITOOKIE is in the building and they're last in the world of social media right now. I can see Sleepless down into him Facebook. He's not even in the same world as we're here. What's up, Bridget? What's good?
There, you know, Rick. There is it.
Everything up?
Yeah, man, just like that.
Which is right. And Sleepless Family, what's good? You must set up him own production.
Yeah, man, everything bless up, man. We just have to try to set up the thing. You see me there with.
So people, if you're just joining us, this is the Upnlive Show, as I said before, and the guests here this evening, they're reggae dancehall artists. If I stand corrected if they think otherwise. So, first time to TGM Radio, can you just introduce yourself and tell people what kind of artist you are, please?
Well, my name is ITOOKIE, And you can call me an all-purpose artist, because I do all kind of music.
That's an interesting view. And to the left, Sleepless.
Yeah, well, my name is Breezy Wonder. Still, I'm a singer still, you know. But yeah, as what Tookie says, still, me call me Sing J because I've been doing that from a kid anyway. Like, you know, DJ, sing, yeah, mix it, blend it.
You both reside here in the UK, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and obviously, as I'm not judging you, but my accent sounds the same like yours, and I'm from Jamaica. We're in Jamaica. I think you're from Jamaica.
Yeah, yes, I am still.
Which part in Jamaica?
Well, Clarendon still. Yeah. Well, I was born in Kingston, Almontown.
Everybody from why so much
You know what?
Clarendon
I don't
people?
think what I say. You know what?
Clarendon.
Yeah, Clarendon, man.
Clarendon, man.
Clarendon, man.
Yeah.
man.
So how long you been in the UK here?
About 22 years now.
22 years.
Yeah.
Wow. Gee, you're almost there longer than old Dragon is. Dragon reached 22 yet? Yeah, and you do predominantly, you say you do singing, you sing J reggae music, right?
Yeah.
Dancehall.
Yeah.
Okay. And you have any current tracks out now?
Well, no, at the moment right now, yeah. I have one track out right now at the moment. Still nothing, slightly out still. I say still, I took care of manage things still. That's not it.
Tookie is the government.
Yeah.
Okay, I know, but I must say this. I seen you guys perform. I seen you perform individually. But I think when you perform together, there's a chemistry. Is it a group or is it just individual acts working together?
No, it's actually a group, you know.
Okay.
Because it goes by the name of Breeze.
Yep.
And I took it, and the group is Sleepless.
You know what? That's the confusion I had because I'm thinking that his name is Sleepless.
No, it's the name of the group.
Okay, so the group is called Sleepless Family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where they correct. Because all this time I'm thinking that his name is Sleepless, and we don't know you are Itookie from the day that done. So how did this union came about? This chemistry?
Well, to be honest, it's like music was always in me. Music was always in him.
Yep.
But we was friends at first.
Mm-hmm.
It weren't no music thing that make us come together.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like I always knew he was a singer, and I was telling him, say, yo, Breezy, you know, if you push your thing and do your thing.
Yeah.
And then I say, yo, Tookie, you know, so you can DJ as well, do your thing, do your thing. It's one of them ones until he actually presented me with a microphone.
Yeah.
And so for the first time in my life,
Yeah.
me feel shook and scared. Me just say hello.
Yeah.
And we want the ground for just open.
And you hear your voice and like, how would I break that there, man? Why you not stop your eyes? So he introduced you to music basically.
Yeah, cause before I used to like play music.
Okay, as a DJ.
Yeah, as a selector.
Okay.
And then get in a bit of trouble and took
Yeah.
a break and
Decided to go on the other side of the production basically. And so how long you been doing this?
about 10 years, 11 years now.
Okay. Yeah, fairly new. And you mostly in the UK here. You were born in the UK here.
Yeah.
Okay. Because as I say again, no offense taken, your accent is sounding more of the...
Nah, man, call me the British, so if you keep it them way there,
You have
innit?
to keep it them way, they're British. But it's surprising because when I hear your music, it don't really sound British to me.
No,
Not that there's a British sound, but it don't really sound...
no, you just have to adapt, innit?
Okay, so you guys have a number of songs together.
Yep.
What would you say is your favorite combination that you work, favorite project that you work together on?
Well, I think it would have to be a song called Just Chill. Because it's like, we actually started on stage. We
Yeah.
never really got studio and voiced nothing.
Yeah.
And that was the first song that we ever voiced together.
Okay.
So I would have to say that song there.
So how would you find it getting your music out here in the UK? Because he does reggae music. You do the same reggae music, or you do open farmer? Explain it to me. Are you a reggae artist or as you said, you're all purpose?
Well, me, when I say all purpose, it's like all kind of, all right, I do a rap. Yeah?
Okay.
Me I'm a singer, but me try the singing.
Yeah.
And it's like, you see like our like reality song, can do like dancehall song.
Yeah.
Some kind of, you know, them kind of song there, you know, of keep it clean on the radio, but you know, them kind of song there for the girl, them.
I say you're deep in that every
Everything.
thing.
Me have subject in everything.
But that's good. But now, who do you see doing it the way that you would like to do it for the near future? Like which artist you seen doing it big? How you would see ITOOKIE? How would you see the Sleepers family doing it for the next 3 to 5 years?
Well, I don't really know still, but it's like there's a lot of artists out there doing their thing, and like I rate the whole of them. I ain't gonna pick out one of them, but it's like if you put it, if you're gonna put me on the spot,
Yeah.
me have to say Spragga Benz.
Spragga Benz.
Yeah,
But
but
Spragga Benz has been like decades now.
yeah, but the reason why I say Spragga Benz still,
Yeah.
because like every artist have an artist with them like
Yeah.
and inspire them.
Yeah.
And like with me, it's like if you listen to my music, you do Spragga Benz and Professor Nuts, because most of my songs them are comedy,
Yeah. True that.
and then me have some serious song.
But which side you say you rather? You rather the comedic side or I wouldn't say comedic, more artistic side, or you rather the gangster side or the girl side?
I would more say the more reality side still,
Mm.
Yeah, because like I tried the whole heap of song with like the girl song them,
Yeah.
some comedy song, and it's like people them like them, but you don't really get the impact that you're looking for
Yeah.
within them kind of music.
Okay. So who was the lead? Because I can see that definitely you're the lead. Because Breezy is in a whole different world right now. He's so caught up in in his social media streaming that he's not even here. So
No, I'm here, man. To you, maybe seem like I'm trying to look a technical thing, innit? But no, it's not that. It's
so when the
like
songs are writing and you go in the booth, who makes the first step to say, all right, listen, this is how we're gonna lay the tracks down. This is how it's gonna work. Breezy, question to you.
Well, to tell you the truth, Tookie, I mean, he's very good still, helping with the music and things still, For a man who say that him can't sing still, to tell you the truth,
Yeah.
Tookie, I don't know how would I write a really good song without Tookie still, because I mean, him like tutor me like how to put the song here, there, and get it right and
The arrangement matter.
the
Arrangement.
Yeah, man, see, you understand? The Jamaican attack still, so
No, listen, talk the way you're talking. You notice me not really all about my accent. Me just say it as more time I pretty tough to make little people can get a little understanding of where you're going on the other side. But
cool.
be
Yeah.
yourself.
For real.
I say more, because if you don't be yourself, people not gonna like you,
Yeah, man, for real still. True.
Yeah, but you now seeing the dancehall side. How do you find it here in UK? Do you enjoy doing dancehall music here in UK, even though it's so far away from Jamaica?
Yeah.
What aspects of recording from here is different from recording from Jamaica?
Well, as I said, still I don't really see no much difference there, because I'm comfortable with what I do. So I like music, you know what I'm saying? So anywhere I am still, I just do my best, like, and things like that. Just like when I was in Jamaica, see, like, only thing when I was in Jamaica, it wasn't more of like studio and them thing there, like, growing up in Jamaica, it was more like a sound system, like every night you have what sound system there, so we used to go and DJ and every sound system for the night, 6 sound system, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But over here we don't really get that.
You don't really get that.
No, we
that
don't
culture
get
is not
over
here.
It's not here. See, that's what I miss. I miss that.
That's
You know
good.
what I'm saying?
So what's next for the Sleepless family? What you guys have up in the store next?
Well, I don't want to talk the 100 still.
Yeah, but you have to tell me what's going on.
But before, but it's like I'll try to put something together.
Oh yeah, something is in the making.
Yeah, and like we don't want to expose it, and then it don't go the way and everybody will say, yo.
Yeah, you did say that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But it's like at the moment, we're trying to put a package together.
Yeah.
Okay,
Couple artists,
Yeah.
couple selector, and we're
Yeah.
going to tour Europe.
that makes sense.
That's the
a good
plan right
That's
now.
a good look.
But we just want we just look for the right package.
Yeah,
Because we have the venues and everything already.
yeah,
But we just need,
the right
yeah.
things that make sense. That makes sense. So how we could find like you and your music online? Because we're gonna go to our specialty of the show, which I will reveal in a minute. But before we go to that, can you just tell the listeners and the viewers how they can find you and find your music online?
Well, you can find me anywhere still, Just type in ITOOKIE or ITOOKIE Music.
How do you spell that?
ITOOKIE and music, or just one Tookie Music. For me, put Tookie, cause one Tookie on the planet, and me, I go find it. Get
We're
me?
gonna find it. And Breezy, how do you find your socials? You have anything out?
Yeah, Breezy Wonder. Yeah.
How do you spell that Breezy? Is it Breezy?
Breezy. Wonder, yeah.
So Breezy Wonder on all social media and Itookie on all social media as well. People that the Sleepers family, they're live here inside the TGM studios on the Upnlive show, and this is the part of the show we call it the freestyle on the Upnlive. So you guys, you ready for it?
Long time.
Dragon, it's your turn, brother.
Song? Alright then. Yo, DJ Rick. You don't know if the boy Tookie, the girl them nookie. I told them. Them call me. What? The girl them manager. Any girl come I can manage her. All when the girl fat, I Tookie and damage her. Left girl asleep like Alia. Call me. What? The girl them boss. Work girl. Me at the bar. Me have a brand new lawnmower.
Baby, stop, wait a minute. Can I get your name or your digit? And maybe sometime we can kick it or just chill. Baby, stop, wait a minute. Can I get your name or your digit? And maybe sometime we can kick it or just chill.
Live here at TGM.
I never get another mommy like she, but I can get another wife. Daddy can let me from the age of 3. Not a line or a dime, innocent come to me. And I'm a miracle land of opportunity. And if we belly full of it, we young.
Some big woman just like little.
Some boy and some girl, them a worship vanity. And because of that, they don't have no love for God Almighty. So this your judgment, they are go redder than red. Redder than red, break up and life. See from afar, see from afar, see from afar, say it's a war. Man, I kill them brother, they won't all a care. Me know see them not go reach far. The whole world see from afar, see from afar, see from afar, say it's a vanity war. Man, I kill them brother, they won't all a care. Me know see them not go reach far. I don't need no army.
You know, me never really want to stop it. Because it's almost like a studio session just now. It's almost like a press. We can just press that and just put it out there on the socials and sell it and make some money. Wicked freestyle, brother. Man. Wicked. Rasta, how it's on? You good, Rasta? Rasta, give me a shake head. That means it's all right. People, remember you can follow them all on all social media. That's Sleepers Family, Itookie, Breezy, Wonder. Any last words before we go?
Yeah, man. Kaboom, big up anywhere.
Yeah, man. Kaboom, man. Big up your chest, my youth. Saying for real.
Right now, Kaboom, there, Jamaica wave the flag.
Hey, a Jamaica in there?
And I put in some work.
Yo.
Which is right. Big up to Kaboom as well, you know.
Good, yeah, that you mean Kaboom.
Manners. Remember, people, keep it locked right here. This is the Upnlive show, and that we did have Sleepless Family Live inside the studio. ITOOKIE was here alongside Breezy Wonder. Together they are Sleepless Family, and right now it's approximately 9 minutes coming up at the top of the hour, 11 p.m. We're going to be here until 11 this evening. Each and every Wednesday, remember, you can, each and every Tuesday, the Wednesday still inside my brain, but if you've been watching us for the longest while, you know why I'm saying Wednesday. But anyway, you can also subscribe to our YouTube page. That is Upnlive Show. It's on YouTube. And also you can look onto Instagram, Upnlive Show as well. Look onto our website. It's called www.worldmag.com. And you can look at our brand new magazine. It's called Daya Magazine. We issued, the first issue was for December 2018. And on the front, if you're watching now online, you can see, yeah, pretty Lisa Mercedes. She's on the front. For those of you who are watching on Facebook, you can see that. Wicked. And also look out for a whole host of different events we're going to be putting on for the coming year. So people keep it locked this way. Right now, we're turning it over to the capable man, Jagan.